So this morning we're going to hit the gas station first, see what's going on there. You got a homeless person sleeping right in front of the food mart. Homeless in America. Got two pit bulls in the car while you're leaning up there waiting for your laundry at the laundromat. Hey guys, this is Ed with another video. Today we're rolling through Bankhead neighborhood in Atlanta, Georgia. I lived here between 2006 in Marietta, Georgia, Atlanta Metro, from 2006 to 2013. And I really miss this place. This place was so great. There's gentrification, by the way, in Bankhead. Beautiful townhomes. Just so you know, with all this graffiti on these warehouses, this is Bonfire ATL. On their site, it says Atlanta's #1 kickback, where creatives, influencers, and all around good people gather to share positive vibes. They have a variety show, comedy show, live music, merch vendors, great food. The AJC, the newspaper in Atlanta, calls them church on Sunday for those that may not be religious. Bankhead got its name from Bankhead Highway. Bankhead Highway was an early 20th century auto trail that runs through the middle of the community. The highway was originally named after Alabama politician John H. Bankhead, a leader in the national road building movement. So a little bit more about Bankhead Highway. In the United States, it went cross country between Washington, D.C. and San Diego, California. In the 1990s, Bankhead Highway was renamed Donald Lee Hollowell Parkway to honor civil rights attorney Donald Lee Hollowell. He was known for his role in the desegregation of the University of Georgia and lawsuits to desegregate Atlanta public schools. So, according to website point2homes.com, the population in Bankhead is 2,300 residents with the median age of 29, and males to female ratio is about 50-50. The median and average incomes in Bankhead, the average annual household income in Bankhead is $79,500, while the median household income sits at $44,600. There are 1,073 housing units in Bankhead, and the median year in which these properties were built is 1976. Oh yeah, this is definitely gonna be gentrified here in the near future. They started across the street, and I know they're just gonna work their way. With Atlanta growing the way it is, they just built a brand new stadium down the street. Yeah, I don't see this. I see this thing where people are gonna start having to move and being pushed out. Bankhead is also the former home of artists. Some of the names are T.I., Young Dro, them franchise boys. And I just found out Little Nas X is from here. Shorty Low. I know there's some other ones, but that's the ones that I know of. So as far as safety is concerned, Ackerman Security summarizes Bankhead as violent crime is nearly triple the national average, and property crime is more than double. Boarded up windows are everywhere. If you must live here, lock your windows and doors and remain alert. Yeah, riding through this neighborhood, there was a lot of boarded windows, doors. Safety's key, especially if you have a family in this area. But I assume that this place is going to be mowed down here. And they're going to be brand new townhomes or single family homes in this area. I'm just assuming, but seeing right across the street, there's like 40 townhomes, one behind the other. I'm thinking it's going to eventually go across the street. we're going to go ahead and end this video. It was great to be back in the city again. If you're interested in this content, please like and subscribe. Again, thank you for checking out the video, and I'll see you on the next one.